Okay, next. Part 2 na to. Part
2! Episode
So,
2?
Yeah.
Pero kanina lang yung mga 5 minutes ago.
Oh, Tommy boy. So, that's Tommy. Okay, next is, bumalik na kami. Ito pala yung itinerary. Manila, Cavite, nagstay ng ilang days. Ng ilang days ba? 2 days. Bumiyahe kami, Davao. Nagland ng gabi. Bumiyahe ng morning to Mangagoy, then Mangagoy to Tagbina, and then back again to Davao. Then the next day, yun na yung flight namin to Siargao. Yun, this is the best part sa trip namin sa Siargao. Okay, anong masasabi mo sa Siargao? Nag-ano pala kami, nag-plane. So,
Ibang way
first
ba?
hindi mayroon.
Meron.
Yeah, yung land trip. Tapos pupunta ng ano.
From Davao.
Yeah.
From Mindanao.
Masasabi mo
Episode
sa Siargao? Yeah, episode 2, Siargao.
I want to go back.
Yeah, most of the people talaga gustong, like, days, 5 days, kulang lang daw talaga.
Madami kasi siyang mapupuntahan. Madami kang mapupuntahan sa Siargao. If you compare sa Boracay, which is isang place lang naman. Siguro in 2 days kaya mo yun. Lakarin, puntahan, kainan, lahat in 2 days. Lahat okay naman sa kainan. Pero yun nga. Tapos Palawan, iba ang Siargao. Babalik ha. May babalikan ako doon. Charot, wala.
May ba? Yeah, madami kaming
Balikan.
hindi
Oo nga naman.
napuntahan.
Oo.
Like
Yeah.
yung magpupungko, yung coconut view.
Yes.
Kasi hindi naman maganda yung
And ang
weather nung
gusto
time
ko
na yun.
is pumunta ng summer.
Let's start with the food. Ano masasabi mo?
Perfect ang food. Like, wala
It's
ata
her
kaming
taste. It's
Yeah.
Aya's taste.
wala
Yeah,
ata
so-
kaming kinainan na hindi masarap. Kasi kahit dun sa normal lang na karinderya nung morning, 'di ba? Yung like adobong pusit na manghang. And longganisa na chorizo ang tawag nila.
Yeah.
And
Different.
No,
may difference yung
yun ay
tawag.
karinderya. Let's start with the first,
Ano bang kinain natin?
we
First-
went to Siago.
Siago.
Recommended
Nice.
by the Airbnb.
Nag-drink
Pagpunta
lang ako.
namin doon.
Yeah, shout out to Kat. Hi,
Yeah.
Kat.
Cass and Manu, si Manu.
Manu, yes.
Yeah.
I don't know
Yeah,
si-
so they recommended it. Ano siya, so Siago is a resort with beachfront. So may breakfast resto na nga sila. It was nice. Sarap ng food.
Yeah.
Ang ganda din ng views kahit hindi ka na magbe-beach. Like, ang ganda ng palm. Very IG worthy.
Yeah. Yeah. Maganda yung spot.
Meron siyang katulad sa Dubai. What do you call that?
Yeah, yung Albarari.
Albarari, yeah. So kung alam nyo yun, the same feels, ganun, tsura.
Tapos, after that, nag-check-in na kami sa, sa aming Airbnb, which was also very nice. Like, it was
Awesome.
perfect. Siguro ang downside lang nun is yung location.
Downside is the neighbors, but all in all, okay naman.
Yeah. At
love.
hindi naman siya, like, hindi siya sa beachfront. Yung sinasabi nila is back road.
Yeah, back road siya. Pero nakatipid din naman tayo kasi sa location. Ang ganda nung, like, okay lang yung wifi, okay lang facility and everything.
Yeah.
It was a very nice place.
Like, feeling mo
Will
na
you
nasa
recommend
island ka.
the place?
Recommend, yes.
Recommended by Aya. Kaya
Yeah.
punta tayo.
Maganda yung spot.
Our friends na sila yours, sila Bay, they picked us up. Pumunta kami ng Cold Springs.
Ganda din yun. Like,
May
may
talon.
swing,
Mm.
mag-swing ka and then drop yourself sa dagat. Yeah, then may board, diving board. Pwede din mag-jump and it's nice. Noong time na yan, it was, low tide. So, hindi siya ganun kalalim. Pero, enough na din na para makapag-jump and dive ka.
Then they played volleyball din sa
Yeah, nag-beach
Ah,
volley
beach
kami.
volley kami. Saan yun? Malapit
Na
sa
resort din yun.
Secret Beach. Minsan
Yeah,
nagsasabi
katabi
nila.
ng Secret Beach.
Mhm.
It was, yun yung advantages of knowing someone who is there locally. Kasi, kung
Alam
hindi,
nila.
doon kami sa Secret Beach pumunta, which is madaming tao. So, pinuntahan namin yung resort na katabi noon, which was nice kasi wala halos tao. We had
Like,
beach
100
volley.
per head doon and consumable siya. So, it's fine.
Yeah, we had beach volley, tas langoy-langoy
Langoy.
din. Yeah. So, it was nice. Yung food.
And then, umuwi.
Then went home,
And then-
change clothes para sa
Then, lumabas ulit.
Yeah. So,
Party.
sa party.
Yeah, our first night was our
Party people.
night.
Feeling
Yeah.
young talaga ako.
Or
yun.
hopping night.
Yeah.
Hindi, actually, we ate muna sa La Barricas.
Yeah, this is the most
Ito yung
Wait lang,
best night
saan yun?
kasi out of all the
yung
nights,
chorizo.
yun yung best night.
Ah,
we
yes!
ate
Oh, enjoy ako dito. Oh,
yung una, speechless siya, pero
Pero,
siya
okay.
na halos ang nagsasalita.
So,
Ah,
so we had chorizo, we had yung octopus,
For
pulled
sure.
pork tacos.
Yeah.
Grabe, ang sarap.
Yeah, octopus yung masarap.
Like a octopus, I like the chorizo, which is they don't like dahil maanghang pero ang sarap.
Yeah.
Ang sarap.
I like it. Siya lang.
Ako lang.
Ang sarap
Yeah.
lahat.
Ay, ang
sarap.
Good. Naubos namin.
Ang sarap.
And yung sangria din
Babalik
nila,
ako doon.
The red
Yeah.
one, the red
Ay,
one
ang
nila.
sangria.
Sarap.
Sarap.
And then, while
Saya
we
ng
were
gabing yun.
there, nakakarinig kami ng live music.
Yes.
And local
sarap.
artist.
Yun. So, habang kumakain kami, patapos, inuubusan na namin yung sangria namin. Tapos, may naririnig kami ng mga sound check.
Sound check.
Blah, blah, blah. Sabi ko, oh, parang may live music somewhere there. Sabi ko,
Mm, then nag-ask
okay,
kay ate.
baka sige, let's check it later then. Maya-maya, may kumakanta na, tapos tinanong
And
namin yung
nagulat
waiter. Sabi niya,
ako.
oo ma'am, tapos parang nandyan ata si
Cup of Joe!
Cup of Joe. So tuwa
It's
niya sa
my
mga super fan
favorite
siya.
Yeah,
Bad.
super
Yeah.
fan.
So,
Oo.
umakyat kami doon, medyo
Minumulto
packed na
pa,
nga.
kanta ako. Yeah.
Medyo packed na nga siya, pero buti na lang maliliit kami, so sumingit-singit kami
As
doon.
in,
yeah.
Like, we were there
Pero ang
in
nice
front
nun,
talaga.
kasi, hello,
Yung
Cup of Joe.
sobrang lapit namin. Yeah.
inintay talaga namin kumunta yung cup. Akala ko
Yeah,
nga,
so, ang unang
yung
kumanta-
dalawang kasama, akala ko maiinip, pero sana hindi
Yeah.
sila mainip. Sana hindi, pero hindi
Yeah,
sila
so,
nainip. Inintay namin si
Una
Cup of
was
Joe.
two local artists.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, nice voice.
Nice. Yung voice. At saka, iba yung
Laro ng-
rendition
I like them.
mga-
So, ano
Ah.
kumakatag dalawang local artists, may nagmamalaga. Si Ida, bigla siya
Grabe yung
may
summarize
Sino
mo.
yung kilala mo? Yun na pala si Gian from Kapag.
Yeah.
Ay, wait, ulit.
she's
Anong ginawa ko? Hindi ko masyado narinig.
Na-inspire
Eh,
mo siya.
Nasaan natin?
Nasa harap lang
ko,
siya.
kilala ko to.
Sa harap namin. Yeah. So tuntua siya.
So happy.
He sang like 3 songs of Kapag Joe, which was so nice.
Una.
So, sa Ida, as in, nandun sa harap niya. Kaya niya na talagang hayaan.
Anong songs na kinanta niya?
Esnero at saka Pape.
Pahina. Mapapaya ka pa. Pahina, and the last one is?
Multo!
It was a good night. So, nag-order din.
That's
kami
really
ng
a good
drinks
night.
doon. So, medyo tipsy na kami.
Yeah.
So, ayun, tontuwa na kami. Nakita namin siya. After
Mm.
nung set niya, bumaba na uli kami. Tapos hinanap na namin si Lior, sila Bayo, sila Beba.
We went to
El
Lobo.
Lobo.
And then, chinek lang namin if they were there.
By the way, sa lahat ng bar na nakita namin dun, El Lobo yung maayos-ayos na music.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
think that time kasi iba yung DJ. I don't know.
I don't know, kasi nung lumipat tayo sa SBC, medyo hindi ko gusto. Kahit dun sa baba ng El Lobo, which is B, letter B something.
I forgot,
Medyo
yeah.
more on house music siya, which is hindi ko masyadong type.
Mm.
So, yung El Lobo had nice, yung talagang,
maganda yung
Pang
songs yung
millennial
time na
party,
yun.
yeah.
Oo.
so yun.
Like, even nasa labas lang kami,